Hey friends, if you wish to change the lid open action on Windows 11, then please watch this video. Now I will clarify that people are asking about the lid open action, but there is no lid open action. There is an option for closing the lid, but there's no lid open action. I mean, opening the lid does not do anything different. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now you can go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side and select power and battery in the right pane. So click on lid power and sleep button controls. You'll find the plugged in mode and on battery mode. By default it's selected at do nothing. So for battery I can select it at shutdown, I can select it at sleep, or I can also select it at do nothing. For plugged in I prefer to keep it at do nothing, but you can choose accordingly. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.